Students, today we study taxonomic characters of Cucurbitaceae family. Systematic position of Cucurbitaceae belongs to dicots. The distribution of Cucurbitaceae family around 100 genera, 850 species, widely distributed in tropical and subtropical areas of the world. In India, around 86 species. The family Cucurbitaceae, also called as cucurbites, popularly known as a gourd family, mainly utilized for vegetables. The most important are squash, pumpkins, gourds, watermelons, and cucumbers. The main characters of Cucurbitaceae family. The plants are weak-stemmed tendril climbers. Leaves are simple, alternate, exstipulate, palmately lobed. Inflorescence is racemose type and solitary axillary cyme. Flowers are unisexual, actinomorphic, epigynous, and incomplete type. The calyx floral character consists of 5 fused types of sepals. The gamosepalous condition, estivation is imbricate or volvate type. Corolla consists of 5 united petals. Gamopetalous, estivation is volvate and imbricate. Stamens are usually 3 and inserted on the calyx tube. Anthers are free or connate. Gynoecium is tricarpellary, inferior syncarpous ovary, trilocular in female flowers. Each locule contains many anatropous ovules in parietal types of placentation. Style character is the simple, stigma is the trilobed and papillose. The fruit type is pepo, seeds are dicot and X albuminous type. This is the Cucurbita maxima. Systematic position of Cucurbita maxima. Vegetative characters, habitat tropical and subtropical. Habits, annual or perennial herbs mostly are tendril climbers. Root is the taproot system. Stem herbaceous, usually climbing type, glabrous. It has tendrils. Leaves are simple, alternate, exstipulate, petiolate, palmately lobed. The vegetation of Cucurbita maxima. The flower characters of this genus: inflorescence solitary axillary cyme. Flowers are unisexual, regular epigynous, incomplete actinomorphic type. Calyx 5 sepals, gamosepalous, green in color, and campanulate type. Corolla 5 petals, united gamopetalous, yellow or white in color. Flower and fruit. Stamens in male flower are 3 to 5 stamens, united by various degrees. Anthers are very long. Stamens are borne on calyx tube. Carpels in female flower, 3 fused carpels, syncarpous inferior ovary. Fruits are fleshy berry. Seeds, non-endospermic seeds. The floral formula: male flower and female flower. Floral diagram: male and female flower. Economic importance: mostly belong to Cucurbitaceae family. Immature fruit of several cucurbites eaten raw or cooked as vegetables. Ripe fruits of some plants are eaten as desserts or used to making refreshing juices. Medicines: fruit pulp of pumpkin used as a poultice on boils, burns, and inflammations. Fruits of Momordica carencia are used for stomach ache, rheumatism, liver and spleen problems, and diabetes. Fibrous pericarp of some fruits are taken from dried fruits and used as a bath sponge. These are the few economic importance of Cucurbitaceae family. Thanks.